Hello, everybody. I'm here to give a brief introduction and some handy tips for using this lesson. So let me get into it. This lesson is an introduction to Autodesk Inventor for grade 10 tech design. It is recommended first that students have some experience with the design process and using 3D modeling programs, a simpler one such as Tinkercad. Also, it's recommended the teacher does a dry run trial of the tutorial to familiarize themselves with the material and also to ensure that the software is up to date. Students will become familiar with Inventor commands, Autodesk interface, and basic theory for creating 3D models. Students will also learn how to create multi-part assemblies and use technical drawings in formats such as exploded view and orthographic projection. Students will also gain industry knowledge such as the design process and procedures, problem solving, transportation terminology, and information about careers and pathways into the automotive sector. To begin, you have the interface introduction. So you will want to print this out, give it to the students, and they can just start up the program quickly. You can do the hook where you're going to discuss some information like on this slide about transportation and tech design and talk about the careers. And it's a good time to remind them of the safety guidelines while working through the program. So they want to be aware of their basic online identity protections, safety, ergonomic way to sit at their chair while they're working, and to allow their body to take breaks now and then. Also a good time to bring up Autodesk Inventor as a program, why we use it, and why it's good for making 3D models. And you can highlight that it's very accurate and it creates a good simulation and visualization before actually building the product. This is the main project here. You will print it out, give it to the students. Here, they will use Autodesk Inventor for creating their 3D parts. They're going to make a wheel, a tire, and they're going to put them together as an assembly for a 3D model. So you got they call it the rim, but it's actually the wheel. The tire would be the tread, and then they put it together at the end. Students will learn to switch between 2D and 3D views of their object. They'll make shapes to specific sizes, and they will adjust those shapes with the commands such as offset, chamfer, extrude, etc. Here is the rubric that's included in the project. You can take this and the expectations included and walk around the room, ensuring that students are understanding the information. One final tip, when you're using Inventor, switching between 2D and 3D creates a new sheet every time. So if you want the geometry to line up when you're creating your final assembly, it has to be created on the same sheet. And this is also highlighted in the tutorial. Thanks for watching.